Hello everyone, my name is Piyush Keshavar. I am discussing about my topic, final year topic. Project is uh, Friday AI Desktop Virtual Assistant. So here is some screenshot which we will discuss in this session. Uh, this is a GUI mainly, which is a main window, which is designed by the Qt designer with the help of PyQt 5 tools. So here are basically users have to give the wake up command and the system get activated. It asks for password. After putting the password, it will access granted. It will take the face detection to unlock the face. So it will display message verification successful if user has pass the verification process. If not, then it will say unknown and it make the authentications fails. So system will get closed. So here is again showing the verification successful. So now users can perform the task. It says task execution mode on. It will wix good morning. It is 9:55 p.m. according to the time, and it will then ask for something that we want. We said open notepad. It can open notepad. We can see on the screen. So it have the features to play music. It have the features to show the locations of the users. So this is the 3D location. It can show it by the help of this latitude and longitude. So it can have also features to play YouTube song. It can open many things like YouTube, Facebook, Stack, profile. This all can be performed here. So this is a some entertainment part. Here users can ask for the jokes, so it can uh, take the random jokes. It can tell the random jokes. It can allow. It have also features the news. It can also take a Hindi language also. Here I have used the Samachar, so it's gave the news of that. And it can also calculate. It can also users can easily use the feature of calculator, or it can also be find of internet speed, or a user can also ask for where I am, so it can give the locations. So it's given the locations in Lucknow city of India. So it allows the user to read the PDF, and it tells about the PDF what we have selected. It's tell about the page number, or if we want to read the PDF, so Friday can also work like an audio book. So it will read the PDF. So that will be a very benefit for the users. See, just like this, it is a reading all thing. So if you see, there is a list. Yes, print mixed list. So here is all thing it can read, and it have also features to hide the folder if user has some important folder, so it can hide the folder and may be visible for it. So this can be this concept is taken from the uh, from the movie Iron Man, where he saved the files and make it invisible. It also show the temperature. There is a temperature. I choose the Lucknow, so it's give the temperature of Lucknow. Or here is also features to here is also features to give the information about the battery status, which is given as a 59% and PC is not plugged in. So here is a I have developed AI game, which is a really rock paper scissors, where there is no input and output is both are is null. So there is a waiting. If I choose the paper, so here it will computer it's choose the randomly a rock. So here I get a user's win. If I see there is a if I choose rock, then here is a Caesar, then user again wins. Here we get die because there is a scissors, and computer move is also scissors, and here is also is a scissor, and computer move is rock. So definitely computer wins. So here is a, again I have choose rock, and here is a paper, definitely computer wins. So this is the concept of AI game which enables users to play the game. So here is the mask detection also is there to give the warning. This is just at the testing time I had taken the screenshot, but at the time of it will show this frame, and at the time of using this applications, it will show just the mask, not mask, and give warning about that wear a mask. Or here it is there, it is give the warning, this is nothing give the warning, it will say you are all right, you are all safe, so no need to worry about. So this is about how to, we can also ask the question like how to be a good programmer, so it give the steps. So if someone want to know about the how to make a team, it will give step by steps informations. So we can also play games, snake games. Here is also is a translator, which is I have used Google Translator. With the help of this, we can translate into the Hindi or English language. This only thing is to convert to choose the language in Hindi and it will translate into the English, or vice versa. So there is a one sentiment analysis technique which is had been used in this project. That is, it take the feedback. It said how was it my service listening. Then user said excellent work. Then it respond to this. Thank you so much for your kind word. It's great to hear from you. So it has the power to know what is the attitude of the users about the feedback. So this all about my project. In next session, we will see the live demo of the project. Thank you.